everybody, Misa Jar Jar Binks. Welcome to the third episode of this Galactic News. That's what we're naming it. Yeah. Welcome to another episode of the Galactic News. Interruption.
It's me! I love your channel! These two first episodes got like 2 million. Shut up, wait! What? No, who's wait? Oh, meant to say Bobby.
Oh, okay, I'll just, Okay, so, let's go to the person at the scene. Hey guys, I'm the man at the scene. I am the one that is experiencing this with my own eyes, not just a camera. So, let's go to the camera sighting. Okay guys, we are here at the camera. The big camera. The sky one.
Yeah,
It's showing the.
Yes,
It's going to show the battle.
Yes, we know that, but there's one problem. But these ANTLION dudes can kill a Barney probably like about 5 minutes. They have Annabelle. Papa Actella.
Father Gagori. Okay, let's get ready with the battle. 2, 1, attack! Oh, one's dead. Another one's dead. Another dead. Another dead. Okay, Barney's lost. They lost horribly. Alright, anyway, guys, that's the end of our episode of the Galactic News. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye!